If you're overwhelmed by the endless options for baby cribs and not sure which one is the best fit for your little one, then you're not alone. Finding the right one can be tough, especially if you don't know what's best for your baby. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 best baby cribs. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, one with more storage options, a stylish piece, or a traditional one, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Delta Children Folding Portable Mini Baby Crib. This is the best folding and budget-friendly crib on our list. If you're prepping for your little one's arrival and space is tighter than your favorite pair of skinny jeans, enter this crib, which is like a superhero in disguise. Compact, foldable, and super stylish. First off, it's portable. You can fold it up and move it around the house like a piece of luggage. So whether you're in the nursery, living room, or even grandma's house, your baby can snooze comfortably. Plus, this mattress has 2 height settings, so you can lower it when your baby starts to sit up or stand. Also, it comes with a 1.5-inch mattress that's soft enough to keep your baby cozy, but firm enough to support their growing bones. What really makes this crib shine is its Green Guard Gold certification. That means it's been tested for over 10,000 chemicals and passed with flying colors. So you can rest easy knowing it's safe for your baby and doesn't emit any weird, harmful odors. The design is sleek and modern, fitting in perfectly with any home decor. It's made from sturdy wood, so it's built to last. And assembly? A piece of cake. You don't need to be a DIY master to set this up. Overall, the Delta Children Folding Portable Mini Baby Crib is perfect for parents who need a space-saving, portable, and safe crib for their little one. It's like having a reliable, comfy bed that you can take anywhere, giving your baby sweet dreams and you peace of mind. Number 5 is the Storkcraft Graco Remi 4-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer with Drawer. This is a crib with the best storage options on our list. If you've got a baby on the way and you want to get the most out of your nursery space without breaking the bank, then this piece of baby furniture is all that you need. This crib can be converted into 4 different pieces of furniture. Start with the crib for your newborn. Then when your baby grows, it transforms into a toddler bed and eventually into a full-size bed. This is what you call growing up with your kid. Now let's talk about the built-in changing table. It's right next to the crib, so you won't have to take your baby across the room for a diaper change. Plus, it comes with a changing pad, so you're all set from day one. Below the changer, there's a drawer where you can stash diapers, wipes, and all those tiny clothes that seem to multiply. The best part? It's also Green Guard Gold certified, which means it's free from all types of chemicals. No weird smells or harmful stuff, just pure peace of mind. Its sleek design fits perfectly with any nursery theme. And it's super sturdy because it's made from quality materials. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's an investment that lasts through all those growing years. Overall, the Storkcraft Graco Remi 4-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer is your all-in-one solution for a functional, safe, and stylish nursery. Your baby gets a comfy place to sleep, and you get a convenient changing station, all in one awesome package. Number 4 is the DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1 Crib and Changer Combo. This is the most stylish crib on our list. And if you're getting your nursery ready for your little one and you want something that looks great, saves space, and grows with your baby, this crib is going to exceed all your expectations. First up, it's a crib, but not just any crib. It starts off as a safe, cozy spot for your newborn. As your baby grows, it can transform into a toddler bed, then a day bed, and finally a full-size bed. It's like getting 4 pieces of furniture in one. Talk about getting your money's worth. Right next to the crib is the changer. It's super convenient because you don't have to find a place for diaper changes. Plus, it comes with a changing pad, so you're all set to handle those late-night changes. There are drawers and shelves right under the changer where you can keep diapers, wipes, and all those tiny baby clothes organized and within reach. This crib has 4 mattress height options that you can lower as your baby starts to sit and stand. Plus, it's made from solid, sustainable New Zealand pine wood and TSCA-compliant engineered wood. That's only the best for your little one. The super stylish finish gives it a classy, timeless look that fits perfectly with any nursery theme. And it's not just about looks. The crib is made from sturdy, durable materials, so it's built to last. Overall, the DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1 crib and changer combo is the ultimate piece of nursery furniture. It's stylish, super functional, and grows with your child, making it a smart investment for any new parent. Your baby gets a comfy, safe place to sleep, and you get a practical, space-saving setup. Win-win! And if you want to know the latest prices for the baby cribs discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Pottery Barn Kids Fillmore Convertible Crib. This is the best traditional crib on our list. If you're setting up the perfect nursery for your little one and you need a crib that's stylish, practical, and grows with your baby, this is what you need. It isn't just a pretty piece of furniture. It's a long-term solution for your baby's sleeping needs. It starts to perform as a cozy crib for your newborn. That's sturdy and safe, making sure your baby sleeps soundly through the night. Growing with your baby, this crib can convert into a toddler bed when your little one is ready to climb out of the crib. Then, it can transform into a daybed for those in-between years. And eventually, it turns into a full-size bed. It's like having 4 pieces of furniture in one, which means you won't need to buy new beds as your child gets older. The design of this crib is sleek and timeless, fitting in perfectly with any nursery theme. It's made from durable materials, so it's built to last through all the stages of your child's growth. Plus, the conversion process is super easy, so you won't need to be an expert to make the switch. Overall, the Pottery Barn Kids Fillmore Convertible Crib is an awesome choice for any new parent. It's stylish, practical, and grows with your child, making it a smart investment. Your baby gets a safe, comfy place to sleep, and you get a crib that lasts for years. Number 2 is the Delta Children Tribeca 4-in-1 Convertible Crib. This is the best value crib on our list. If you want something that looks cool, saves space, and can grow with your little one, this is the crib you are looking for. It's like the ultimate multitasker of baby furniture. This crib starts as a safe, cozy spot for your newborn to sleep. It's sturdy and built to last, giving you peace of mind while your baby snoozes. And as your baby grows, this crib transforms with them. First into a toddler bed, and when your kiddo is ready for more freedom, it changes into a daybed and finally becomes a full-size bed when your child is ready for their big kid room. It's like getting 4 beds in one, which is totally awesome. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any nursery decor. It has clean lines and a stylish finish, making it a statement piece in the room. Plus, it's made from durable materials, so it's built to handle all the stages of your child's growth. Converting the Tribeca crib is super easy, so you don't need to be a DIY wizard to make the switch. It's all about convenience and making your life easier. Overall, the Delta Children Tribeca 4-in-1 Convertible Crib is the perfect choice for any parent. It's stylish, practical, and grows with your child, making it a smart investment. Your baby gets a comfy, safe place to sleep, and you get a crib that lasts for years. Number 1 is the Babyletto Lolly 3-in-1 Convertible Crib with Toddler Bed Conversion Kit. This is the best overall crib on our list. If you want something that's not just adorable, but also practical and safe for your baby's nursery, this crib is not going to disappoint you. It's like the coolest piece of furniture you can get for your baby. It starts as a snug and secure crib for your newborn. It's built with sturdy, durable materials, so you know your baby is sleeping safely. What's even cooler is that this crib isn't just a one-trick pony. It transforms as your baby grows, just like other cribs on our list. When your little one is ready to move out of the crib, it easily converts into a toddler bed, and later into the toddler bed, and then into a daybed. It's like having 3 beds in one. The design is super modern and stylish, with a natural wood finish. It fits perfectly with any nursery theme, making it a standout piece in the room. Plus, it's Green Guard Gold certified, which means it's been tested for over 10,000 chemicals and meets strict safety standards. No harmful chemicals here, just peace of mind for you and a healthy environment for your baby. Converting the Lolly crib is a breeze, so you don't need to be a technician to switch it up. It's all about making things easy and convenient for you. Overall, the Babyletto Lolly 3-in-1 Convertible Crib is an awesome choice for any parent. It's stylish, practical, and grows with your child. Your baby gets a comfy, safe place to sleep, and you get a crib that lasts through all the early stages. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect baby crib much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.